You forgot to connect to God. As long as we are alive, as long as we live, as long as we breathe on this earth, we always have hope. And we Filipinos, we always have the spirit of hope. Even typhoons, earthquakes destroyed your house. Typhoons destroyed your things. But the spirit of Filipinos will just smile. Bahay ka lang, Pinoy ako. Bagyo ka lang, Pilipino ako. That spirit, that strong feeling of hope, because we have faith in God. Siguro ang dami mong problema ngayon, ito sabihin mo, bahala na si Lord, ibibigay rin niya sa tamang panahon. Yun yung spirit ng faith and hope. Hindi ka nawawala ng pag-asa, hindi ka nanghihina, hindi ka magpakamatay, because you connect to God that in His perfect time, ibibigay rin ang gusto ng Panginoon sa buhay ko. My dear brothers and sisters, each one of us, we have our own struggles and challenges. Each one of us, we pray to God to give the blessings that we need. Pero hindi yan ulan na sabay-sabay mo pumatama. Maybe your friends, they receive the blessings today. Ang swerte mo, nakuha mo na yung short or palang araw darating din sa atin. We keep to persevere.